Congress MP Shashi Tharoor praised and welcomed the Modi government's decision to unveil a bust of C. Rajagopalachari at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In a social media post on X, the Thiruvananthapuram MP mentioned that he had been a strong supporter of Rajaji's Swatantra Party during his student years. He said he was pleased to see Rajaji honored at Rashtrapati Bhavan, noting that he was the first Indian occupant as the only Indian Governor-General before India became a republic and later handed over the office to the first president. Tharoor added that he had long admired Rajaji's principles, including liberal economics, social justice, and constitutional freedoms, and that these values remained important to him today, though he regretted that few continued to follow them. On Monday, the centre replaced the statue of British architect Edwin Lutyens at Rashtrapati Bhavan with a bust of Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, the first and only Indian Governor-General of independent India. At the ceremony, all 6 stanzas of Vande Mataram were performed musically. Those present included Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Culture and Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting L. Murugan, and members of Rajagopalachari's family. PM Narendra Modi, in a message read out at the event, described the replacement as an act of mental decolonization and said it honored leaders who shaped India's destiny and symbolically shed the colonial mindset. He called Rajaji a towering scholar, freedom fighter, thinker, and administrator whose life embodied integrity, intellect, and commitment to the nation. During his monthly radio address, Mann Ki Baat, PM Modi had hailed the move, noting that unfortunately, even after independence, statues of British administrators remained in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, while those of India's great leaders were not honored with a place there.
भारत की संस्कृति से जुड़ी चीजों को महत्व देने लगा है। इस दिशा में हमारे राष्ट्रपति भवन ने भी एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाया है। कल यानी 23 फरवरी को राष्ट्रपति भवन में राजाजी उत्सव मनाया जाएगा। इस अवसर पर राष्ट्रपति भवन के केंद्रीय प्रांगण में सी राजगोपालाचारी जी की प्रतिमा का अनावरण किया जाएगा। वे स्वतंत्र भारत के पहले भारतीय गवर्नर जनरल थे। वे उन लोगों में थे जिन्होंने सत्ता को पद की तरह नहीं, सेवा की तरह देखा। सार्वजनिक जीवन में उनका आचरण, आत्मसंयम और स्वतंत्र चिंतन आज भी हमें प्रेरित करता है। दुर्भाग्य से आजादी के बाद भी राष्ट्रपति भवन में ब्रिटिश प्रशासकों की मूर्तियां तो लगी रहने दी गई, लेकिन देश के महान सपूतों को जगह नहीं दी गई। ब्रिटिश आर्किटेक्ट एडविन लुटियंस की प्रतिमा भी राष्ट्रपति भवन में लगी हुई थी। अब इस प्रतिमा के स्थान पर राजाजी की प्रतिमा लगाई जाएगी। राजाजी उत्सव के दौरान राजगोपालाचारी जी पर आधारित प्रदर्शनी भी लगेगी। ये प्रदर्शनी 24 फरवरी से 1 मार्च तक चलेगी। मौका निकालकर आप भी इसे देखने जरूर जाइएगा।